I just had $1 billion idea. Someone help me make it happen, now!
Try Dozer.
Dozer isn't your average digital assistant. It's powered by our AI agent that can get things done. When you can't type, just say what you want, and by the time you check, your results are ready. Even better, Dozer can quietly listen for up to 8 hours, perfect for meetings and lectures. During meetings, it automatically captures action items and, with your quick confirmation, hands them off to our AI agent. Here's what Dozer pulled from just one marketing campaign meeting. Built a task tracker, provided a budget optimization analysis, researched recent competitor campaigns. And it's not just about tasks. As Dozer listens, it also logs important insights into your personal knowledge garden, so nothing valuable gets lost. Later on, you can literally ask our agent anything from one specific meeting or lecture, like having a conversation with your past self. This is Dozer from Flowith. It connects meetings to action, ideas to execution. And yes, it can be your second brain. Try it now on the Flowith iOS app.